Welcome to part 17. Okay, so in part 17 what we're going to do is we're going to create the inventory GUI box, and that's pretty much it. And then in the next one after that, 18, we're going to add the texture to that and finish it off. Okay, so open up your HUD script, and in here scroll down to where you see the if GUI dot button, and then at the end called inventory icon, whatever that means, and make sure you have this variable up here, variable inv open, right? And copy it, come back down to here and paste it in and set that to true. Right down here, do if inventory open is equal to true, add another equal sign in there. You don't have to add in the true, but I put it in because it helps me just to know what the value is meant to be. So if inventory open is equal to true, then we're going to draw a new GUI dot box rec and 2020, and then we're going to do screen dot width times 0.7, so 70% of the screen, and then just copy that and change the width to height. Okay, and don't forget to add in the string there and call that inventory for now. Hit play, and now if I click on inventory, we get a big GUI box. I'm actually going to make it a bit bigger and put it to 90, and just copy that as well, and instead of having the 20 in there, I'm just gonna do 0.1 and 0.1 in here, change that to height, and change that to 0.8 and 0.8. Hopefully those are correct, and when I hit inventory, we get it straight in the middle of your screen. Alright, so that's good. But let me open a new Google Chrome. If I go to MotherLoad, actually I've got the image saved. That won't happen. Oh well, don't need it for now, that's fine. Unless MotherLoad inventory, should get a quick image. Beautiful. Alright, we can see that it's kind of it's more square like than what we've got here. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of having the width, I'm gonna do the height, and the reason is that's gonna give me a perfect square. There we go, just like that. Right, so that's all I'm gonna do for its positioning. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pause it and get out my texture for it, and I'm gonna apply it. So be right back. Okay, so I've got the textures added, and these textures, you should have them in your resources folder from the tutorial number 16 to 22. So make sure you download that if you want to have them. Okay, and if I go to my inventory, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that name, and I'm going to pass through a new I'm not sure what it was. This is a box, so inv icon. Alright, I'm going to create a new inv box GUI style and pass that through down here. Okay, now I'm going to open that up, and under every single one, I'm going to drag in my inventory as so, and then hit play, open up, and there we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it out a bit. Okay. Yeah, it is recording. Okay, that's good. And I've actually changed it back to width, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be a bit too big. Yes, it is. Then it's going to be 0 point right in the middle of that, which is 6. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good for now. I'm going to change that to 5, and I'm also going to move it down to the screen. Screen width divided by half. Actually, screen width times 0.5, which is the same, by 2.5. Anyway, that's not really important right now. 2.5. What is important is that we've got our GUI coming up now. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. We've got it coming up, and that's all I wanted to do for now. Right. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the interior to that. This one, we're gonna add that, and then we're gonna add the close button and get everything to work together. So that's it for now. Bye bye.